welcome back to my channel. I'm ShaniFay, mom of two, faith-filled entrepreneur, purpose-driven to help you craft a beautiful life. So in today's video, I'm going to be making a spring wreath. I found all these adorable things at Dollar Tree and I really wanted to just make something as soon as I possibly could. But I want to show you what I got first. So I got these little tabletop signs and they're so cute. This one says Cottontails Candy Cafe, jelly beans. This one says bunny bait, fresh carrots, and this one says treats for my peeps. These are so cute. I love them. So I don't know if I'll use any of these on the wreath, but I did want to show it to you because I just think they're really stinking adorable. And then also I got these hanging signs, and honestly I have never seen, oh, if they would just get right, I have never seen Dollar Tree do like this metallic gold effect, and I just, oh, it's so pretty. So I know a lot of people hate the Dollar Tree glitter, but I don't mind it so much because I have glitter everywhere anyways. But this is so cute. I love these. This little butterfly, another little what are these called, like watering can? Yeah, watering can. And they're just so pretty. And everything, of course, you know, Dollar Tree does everything in collections, so everything matches. So you can see that, you know, the same florals that you have here are similar to what you have on here. And then also they have this little one. There were 3 different kinds. There might be more, but this is what I could find. And I thought they were so cute. And oh, look at that little bee. Look at the little bumblebee. So cute. So I definitely want to use that on the wreath. And then also they had this one. Again, more florals. But look at how cute this little truck is. It's like the back of a truck. It's so pretty. So they also had these larger signs, which I definitely don't think that I'll be using on the wreath, but because they're a little too big. So, but these would be really nice for a swag or something. This is, it's all about the journey, and it's got the little bicycle, and I love it because I actually have ribbon that matches that. So cute. And then also, you see the back of that little truck again, and this one says Welcome Spring. It's so cute. They even, hold on, I wasn't gonna show you this, but I will now that I have you. So look, they even have the napkins that go with it, and then they have these cute little, and I've seen these before, but they're still adorable. So they have the paper straws. I got some of those little treat cups that they have, and I just love how everything coordinates. And then they also had like these little plates. So again, there's that little truck, right? So everything just goes together, and these say Welcome Spring. So I picked those up earlier today. I thought that those were really cute too. So today I'm gonna be, like I said before, making a wreath. I'm using this like gold or like tannish colored wreath form. This is a 14-inch wreath form, and I'm using 18 pipe cleaners all the way around. I'm gonna do 10 on the outside and 8 on the inner ring, and I'll show you exactly how I do that. I'm also gonna be using some of this deco mesh. Now this I actually picked up at I want to say it was Michael's last year, and I got it after the season, so I got it for like I think it was like 60% off, and it's $9.99 originally. And then this one I also got same sale. This is $9.99 as well, and I got this on sale. Both of these came from Michael's. The Dollar Tree does have deco mesh, but this is actually a better quality, and it's a better bang for your buck, because if you get it on sale, it's actually more of it. So for this you get 19 feet, and it's wider. It's almost 10 inches wide, whereas with Dollar Tree I believe it's like 3 feet. It's a very small amount that you get, and it's a lot thinner. It's not as great in quality, and so you would use more in order to get the same kind of effect that we will get with using these. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and get my my wreath form ready with, again, I'm going to put 10 pipe cleaners on the outside and 8 pipe cleaners on the inner ring, and so you will see how I do that now.
But feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Okay, so now that I have all of my pipe cleaners on there, I'm gonna go ahead and do a poof method with this mesh, and then I'm gonna do a ruffle or like a cruffle method with this one, which is really like a roll and a ruffle at the same time, but I will show you that, how I do that. So I'm gonna go around and I'm gonna make 10-inch poofs using this deco mesh. So what I'm just gonna do here, let me put this to the side for a moment, and I'm just going to pinch going up. And I want to start with a clean edge. Well, actually that's pretty good, but we can just clean up the edge just a little bit more. So I can't find my big scissors, I can only find my little scissors, so this will have to do. But we want to just cut it so that we have a nice clean edge. And then I'm gonna use a zip tie to go ahead and attach that to the wreath form. So I'm gonna bring that back, and I'm gonna start by the crossbar here. So I'm just gonna go a little in front of that crossbar, and I'm gonna put my my zip tie there. Yeah, and then we're just gonna zip tie that right there to the crossbar. So can you see that there? I'm gonna zip tie that, and then we're just gonna cut off our excess. So now we're gonna make our poofs. So I just go about 10 inches. I can kind of eyeball it, but if you need to, you can use your you can use the mat here. So from here to here, it's almost spot on. It's 10 inches. And then I'm going to tuck that right down in here, in between our pipe cleaners. And then I'm going to pull it tight, cross them over, pull them tight so that it stays, and then just give it a little poof. All right, and I'm gonna keep doing that all the way around. So now that we have finished all of this first deco mesh, I'm just gonna go ahead and put the wreath aside, and I'm going to get this deco mesh ready to do the curls and ruffle method. So all I'm doing, I'm gonna cut them at about 30 inches long. So just get my little rotary blade here, and I want to start with a nice clean edge. Oh, that's good enough. Okay, so I'm gonna cut it at about 20 inches. I'm just looking on my mat here, and I'm just gonna cut them in 20-inch lengths. And let me see, not sure how many I'm gonna need as of yet, so I'm gonna cut 9 to start with. So now that we have all of them cut, I'm gonna show you how we're gonna make our woodland. Sometimes people call it a woodland ruffle. It's also called a cruffle. I've heard people call it all sorts of things, but I will show you how we do it. So at one end here, I'm just going to roll it under. I'm gonna roll it. I'm just gonna let this hold it down on this end. And then I'm going to scrunch up in the middle. And then I'm going to curl the other side under. And that's it. So it has like a little curl here and then a little ruffle in the middle. And then we're just going to go ahead and place that around in every other section. Okay, so I'm just placing it in the wreath here. And then we're just going to fluff it out like that. So I'm gonna just keep doing that. Okay, so I'm trying to decide if I want to put oh, what is this? Yeah, I'm trying to decide if I want to put ribbon on this wreath. And I don't quite know yet if it's going to need it. I like these two. I feel like it has a lot of color in it already, so I'm not sure that I want to add this ombre one in, although I mean it's looking really good on the camera, but not as good in real life. This one's also really cute. I don't know, maybe we'll just add a couple ribbons in. So since I did 9 of these cruffles or curl ruffles, woodland ruffles, whatever you want to call them, since I did 9 of those, then I think I'll just put this to the side and I will do 9 sets of these, which means like I'll pair this and this, and I'll do 9 sets. So that'll mean I'll probably have to do like 5 of one and then 4 of the other. So I'll go ahead and cut those down to size now. Basically what I do is I cut them at 12-inch lengths so that I can put them in the you know, like offset them with the little ruffles, because I do like a little bit of ribbon. I hate it. Well, hate is a strong word, but I really dislike when this is like that. It's so hard, and I don't want to lose like any of my ribbon, so I try really hard to straighten it out. Make sure you cut your little dovetail, and if it's really bothering you, then you can cut it off, but this one's not bothering me that much. So okay, I'm gonna cut these at 12-inch lengths. So this might take me a little while. So while I'm doing that, I'm also gonna watch The Other Boleyn Girl. Have you guys seen that movie? I really like that movie. It's not a new movie, it's an older movie, but I tell you, like, that Scarlett Johansson and Natalie Portman, they are awesome in that movie. So that's what I'll be watching while I'm cutting this, and then I will be right back. So I'm gonna take one of the 1.5-inch ribbons and one of the 2.5-inch ribbons, and I'm just going to layer them over each other. I'm putting it kind of, the top one kind of at an angle, just so that I can see it better, and it makes it easier when I put it when I actually attach it to the wreath. So I'm folding it in half so that I can find the center, and then I'm just gonna pinch those like this, and then kind of like just pass your fingers so you can get them to round down like a little birdie type of effect. And then you're gonna do the same thing on that side, right? And then where we didn't place the cruffle, we're just gonna put it in, we're gonna put it in the opposite place. So we're alternating between the cruffle, ribbon, cruffle, ribbon, cruffle, ribbon, all the way around, okay? Okay, so we're just going to attach this here. I like it there. And I'm gonna push the pipe cleaners that are on the bottom here. I'm just gonna push them down through the deco mesh and attach this to the bottom of the wreath form. To the bottom of the wreath, on the wreath form. So just gonna push this all the way through. Have one side, I'm just gonna flip it over so you can see what I'm doing here. Yeah. Okay. So I'm just going to attach it to the wreath form. So I'm just basically twisting it around the base so that it will stay. And you can put a little bit of glue. I don't think it's necessary, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna leave it like that. Very good. Ooh, it's so pretty. So that is it. Let me see if I can show you guys the whole thing. It is so pretty. I love it. Oh my gosh. I love it so much. I think it's gorgeous. Let me put you guys back up here. I think it's beautiful. I love it. You can put it like this, or you can put it this way. I mean, whatever you want to do with it. It's gorgeous. There's 2 different signs like this, so you don't have to use the same exact one. You can use the one with the little bug. See, I'll show it to you here. You can use this one. That would also be pretty, you know. And then or you could just use the little trucks. They have the little trucks. They come and 4 different colors, but I love this. I love how it turned out with the ribbon, and I'm in love. So this is available in my Etsy shop. I will leave the link in my description box below. Again, Dollar Tree just has so much amazing stuff right now. I guess that little 25-cent increase is paying off. So go check out what they have. This was from the Dollar Tree. These little signs are from Dollar Tree, and they make a world of difference in this wreath. I love it, and so I was so excited to share it with you guys, and I will see you in the next video. I love you guys, and bye.
'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here